we'll guide you through how to change Brave install location. Quick disclaimer, you need to follow this step-by-step guide carefully, because skipping a single step will affect your final result. If this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. First, don't forget to comment if you still need our help or want to ask something, and we will reach you as soon as possible. Second, make sure you already have the Brave installer downloaded, but do not run it just yet. For this tutorial, I will be using Brave Nightly as the example version, although the exact same process also works for the standard Brave browser. Begin by running the installer and completing the installation normally. Once the installation finishes, open File Explorer and go to where Brave browser installation located at. Inside this directory, locate your Brave installation folder. If you are using Brave Nightly, select the folder named Brave Browser Nightly. If you are using the regular release, select the folder named Brave Browser instead. After selecting the correct folder, cut it by pressing Ctrl+X. Next, open a new File Explorer tab by clicking the plus button, then navigate to the drive where you want Brave to be stored. Paste the folder into that new location by pressing Ctrl+V. Keep both File Explorer tabs open because you will need them shortly. Now open the Start menu, search for Command Prompt, right-click it, and choose Run as administrator. Return to the first File Explorer tab, click the address bar, and copy the original folder path. Then switch to the second File Explorer tab and copy the new folder path where Brave was moved. Go back to the Command Prompt window and type /J. After that, enter the original Brave folder path inside quotation marks, add a space, and then enter the new folder path inside quotation marks. The command should follow this format. /J, quotation mark original path quotation mark, space, quotation mark new path quotation mark. Press Enter to create the junction link and wait for the confirmation message to appear. Finally, launch Brave from the Start menu or your desktop shortcut and verify that the browser opens normally. This helps free space on your system drive while preserving functionality smoothly. Confirm that everything works correctly and that Brave is successfully running from its new location without any issues or errors.